Cardio is just cardio, right? Well, not really, actually. Here's a crash course on what cardio means. Now, cardio is broken down into heart rate zones, five of them. Zone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all have different intensities, which is why there's five, and they're all based on certain heart rates, percentages of your max heart rate. Zone 2 and Zone 5 are really the sweet spots where a lot of people don't spend enough time. And most of us that are training in sports, we spend way too much time in that Zone 3 and 4, and these other zones get neglected. Here's what Dr. Peter Attia says about the two heart rate zones I'm talking about.
Most people are training in this garbage zone where it's too high in intensity to build a true aerobic foundation and too low in intensity to truly stress the body glycolytically. So zone 2 is that all-day pace. Lactate has to be below 2 millimolar. You have to be, this is a pace you should be able to hold all day. And that's easier than, people are used to training. And then at the other end of the spectrum, there's got to be this real push pace, kind of your 4x4 pace, right? 4 on, all out, 4 off. And most people aren't used to that level of discomfort. So they're suffering two problems. One, they're in a physiologic no man's land. And two, there's no variability to it anyway. Even though you say it's obvious, I think it's important for people to hear this discussion because I don't think enough people understand, both for performance and also longevity, why you have to be at the more extremes of kind of zone 2, zone 5 is where the progress comes.